Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a video tutorial to show you how you can extract your audio from any video you have on your CapCut. Unlike the mobile version of CapCut, there is an option to extract an audio, but the PC version of CapCut doesn't have that option. Even when you click on audio, it's only going to show you extracted audio, which means the audio you've extracted. So to do that on your PC, you bring in your project just the way I've done it. Then you right click. You can see separate audio. The shortcut for that is Ctrl, Shift and S. Once you do that, it's going to bring it. Let's try that. Ctrl, Shift and S. It's going to extract it. Or, let me undo. You right click and then you click on separate audio. It's still going to do the same thing. That is just the simple way to extract an audio from your video in CapCut for the PC version. Thanks for watching guys. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell to receive notification whenever I have a new video.